In this video, we will learn about how to play word jumble bingo. Before starting the game, you can tap on the About icon to get more information about the game. You can tap on Earning Star button to know how to earn stars, and plan for a strategy to earn stars. Tap on the Play button to start the game. In this game, you are required to decipher and rearrange the letters to get the answers in correct sequence, based on the hints given within the time limit. After reading the hints, tap on the letter options below in sequential order. If you did not get the right answer, you can tap on the Reset button to try again. If you could not figure out what is the answer, and wish to proceed to the next question, you may do so by tapping on the Skip button below. However, you are unable to return to the question that you have skipped previously. The strategy to get higher score is to solve as many questions as possible within the time limit. Good luck and enjoy the game.